Hello everyone and welcome. The cost to buy a car is not simple. There are cars that cost as much as a building or cost up to millions of dollars. To drive a car, we need to pass a test and get a driver's license. Still, there are some really bad drivers who destroy a bunch of properties.
What the
The red car is moving without observation, and he's damaging the rear of this white car. Two cars are going to collide at the intersection in the dark. The car has lost control and crashed into the one next to it, hitting another. Let's watch. This driver just likes to show off, crashing his car into the light there. High-speed cars are causing accidents from behind. This car has overtaken an extremely bad place through a narrow gap. Truck brakes in the traffic lights. Bad idea. A bad thing is happening to this car in front. That's just stupid. This car is, he's submerged in the ice and the driver is panicking to get out. The car with extremely strong rear end collision. Nah. A luxury car in the hands of a bad driver. Now this is a fun game that will help you to spend money fixing that useful tractor. A car with a strong rear end impact. And another with just a strong crash. Oh, that is a strong impact causing serious damage. Obviously, the brick transport had a problem, but fortunately, no other vehicles are around. The rescue car has no longer been overturned. It was a little bit troublesome. Oh. Yikes. This is a car full of funny people, eh? Now this car has definitely got broken accessories.
What the fuck?
The driver has lost control, crashing into the back and into the parked truck. Now this truck is definitely having problems during the stormy winds. The car is moving to the corner, still has an accident, and somehow the wheels come off. Two cars, they are refusing to yield to each other, causing an accident. Oh, you hit him upside down. The vehicle behind cannot control the distance and speed. That is some impressive smoke screen coming from the car. This car is damaging the barrier, and the car. A bad driver causing a series of accidents, destroying many cars. Two are colliding hard at the intersection. And the car goes straight backwards. A vehicle that loses control and is causing harm to the other vehicles in the same direction. An extremely strong crash. A small collision of two cars. This truck was hit in the opposite direction. Now, moving without keeping a safe distance, you're going to cause accidents. The car has lost control. Both of them are having problems. This is an incident where the car is showing signs of fire. The car loses control in bad weather roads. Looks like the truck is waiting for the goods to get past, but it's making everyone pay attention. This car still has a very strong rear end collision. A car going uphill, which is now upside down. The driver is recklessly using a pickup to tow this trailer, causing some uncontrollable problems. The truck behind was unable to control his speed in time. The car has lost control and he's driven into the ditch. An overtaking of the car and he collides with the others. Yet he still flees. Another truck losing control, causing a collision. Very high speeds, causing this car to make an accident. This car, he just looks miserable trying to overcome that slope. Very high speed car, losing control, crashing into the fuel pump. Ooh, that can't be good. Nice sports car, have a small problem while moving. This driver has a defined past. The consequences are at least the cost of the repair. You're changing lanes so suddenly, and you didn't even signal. Quite a strong collision at the intersection, even at the green light. How can your tires suddenly come off like that? It's bad. Gliding gently and just leaving a few shards. Thank you everyone for your interest in our videos. Remember, like, subscribe to the channel, and press that notification bell. You can receive the earliest videos. Goodbye everyone, and see you again.